You guys ever see the stud removal trick with two nuts? If you're ever in a jam and you remove a stud, this is what you do. So I have to transfer the studs over from this transmission to this transmission because it's front wheel drive. I mean, it's all wheel drive. So this is what you do. Put on this nut, put on this nut, and then I get my gear wrench in and it's going to be loosening. And this one's going to tighten. If you're ever in a jam, this old school trick works. Now loosen. Let's see, now it's removing the stud. Old school is the best school. And voila, it's off. So now we're putting this one here. And all we gotta do is tighten this one. I thought this was a shareable, good video to make. No stud puller needed. Okay. So now, just loosen this outside stud and they're both loose. And there you go. Perfectly transferred. Look at that. I gotta put this one here. Do it again. I don't even have a stud puller. Okay. Oh no. Okay. And boom, there you go. And once I put the front diff on and bolt all the nuts down, it'll be tight again. Cool. Thanks for watching.